Do you want me to do the intro, or do you want to do the intro?
Yeah, I can fire away. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Coffee Club. This is another live stream with Tip, another fellow member from the Stonksy community. Today, we're just going to be looking through the charts, looking at Bitcoin, some altcoins, and seeing if we can find any live entries whilst we're here using the Stonksy indicator. So thank you, everybody, for joining. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the chat. And if you do want to try out Stonksy for yourself, please try out the monthly option to see if it works for you for 1 month. That's what I did, and I've never looked back. Yeah, so let's go. Hey Tip, how's it going?
Yeah, good, brother.
Good to hear. Good to hear. You in any trades at the moment?
Several.
As always.
5 out of 6 are in the green.
Brilliant. Let me just check the audio's working because we had some issues last time. Let me see.
Were you tuning in earlier when I made banked $900 an algo in 32 minutes?
No, I wasn't. That sounds impressive, though. What was the setup there?
15-minute rotation.
That sounds impressive, though. 15-minute rotation. Wow. Okay, so just check the audio when working. Oh, look, here's the Bitcoin entry coming up. I've been waiting for. So it's interesting that 15-minute rotation. I have it on the separate tab all the time now, just waiting for it to occur because it played out really well last time. That's why I was confident staying in that Bitcoin trade I was in yesterday. Made like $270-ish from that trade. Just getting in below.
What was the ROI percentage?
I'll check. I'm going into my bluffing now because I want to enter Bitcoin right here. Actually, let me zoom out. Let me just check the others, how they're looking. 3 minutes long, bullish divergence. 1 minute long, bullish divergence, key level. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'll go quiet while I do this because I'm actually going to try and trade on this stream.
I'll start talking then.
Yeah, cheers.
All right, so YouTubers, anything that we do is not set in stone, but every time I've done YouTube, my trades have been 100% successful. Doesn't mean the next one is not going to be a loss. But, yeah. Mind you, I've been drinking white wine, so I'm likely to make a mistake. So, if you lose money on one of my trades, good luck to you.
Yeah, none of this is financial advice at all.
Yeah.
As I say every time, I'm somebody that thinks Dogecoin is a smart investment. It's literally a coin with a dog as a logo. So just bear that in mind before you listen to me. So so the reason I entered this Bitcoin trade.
Yeah. That's beautiful, man.
The reason I entered this later than I wanted mine due to the pressure of a live stream. I have no idea how many people or who's watching. I'll check the chat in a minute in case, but we had this lower low in price. We had this higher high in momentum. We're around a key level here, and we came down to this key level here. And Stonksy's gone green on the 1 minute, I believe on the 3 minute as well. When I checked, I'll look again. So I actually, let me go back. I actually came into this a little later than I wanted to. So I hadn't set up the trade. I would have liked to have come in just when this candle closed. I've entered a bit high. But you can see it's also what looks like it could be a W pattern with the target up here. So I think that's where I'm going to try and get some take profit. But yeah, not my best entry ever, but I thought, I'll break the ice at some point and enter live, and I've done it now. So we'll see how this one plays out.
If we get a bit of a pullback on New York Open, there's a fair chance we'll get some perfect entries.
Yeah.
Actual perfect entries.
Mm-hmm. exactly.
So we just follow the 15-minute rotation.
Yeah, let me look at that now. So, yeah, as you can see, I've been using this rotation. Is my screen showing well? Let me double check. Yeah, I've been using this rotation since you've been introducing me to it. I've been looking from the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15. It's quite interesting.
Just to let you know, the 4 hour and the 15-minute are in parentheses.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. So if you get the 4 hour rolling at the same time the 15's rolling, it's pretty A+ setup.
Okay.
That's remember the other day when I saw the 3-minute perfect entry on ETH.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the 4 hour 15-minute.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, but I was watching Bitcoin. I was watching Bitcoin and got the entry on ETH.
Yeah, it's funny how that works. I've been doing, I want to experiment with that more. I've done it a couple of times where I've been looking at ETH or an alt, and I've seen a signal go ahead on Bitcoin when that's clearly been leading the market that day and took the entry. Risky business for sure, but it has worked when I've tried it. I mentioned it to you the other day as well when I said I'm looking at SHIB.
Yep.
I'm looking at the ETH, what's going on in ETH as well to give me, maybe that 1 second early insight.
Yep.
Okay, just got a question from the chat. How do you scan for interesting tickers from Space Yacht? So I just have a watch list, as you can see here in my trading view on the right. So I've obviously got the main ones, Bitcoin, Sol, Ethereum, Doge, my favorite token. But then I've just been adding to it gradually where there seems to be nice volume. They're quite big caps, to be honest. Quite a few of my recent additions down the bottom here highlighted. Many of these are tokens that Tip has been trading. And, Stonksy's works well with them. Divergences work well in key levels. So I'm sticking to this list. I don't think I have the brain capacity to add any more to it. Tip, what's your criteria for looking for interesting tickers to trade? Can you hear me, Tip? Oh, we have another issue with the audio. Maybe let me see. I'm dropping a message. Okay, so I'm sure Tip will be back in a moment. But yeah, that's how I look for the tickers anyway. So I'm not really searching for too many more at the moment. Like I say, because the list is quite full. So
yeah, I'm gonna put my Bybit watch list in Discord.
Oh, that'd be handy actually. That'd be really handy. Okay, so the Bitcoin trade's working out quite well so far. We're at this point of control now with volume, so I don't know if I'm in enough profit to do as TP, but technically I feel I should. Let me check the trade. Okay, $60 in profit. I'll take out a mini bit to be do as I would do. I probably should have gone a bit heavier in the trade.
Since we went live YouTube, $800 up.
Well, there you go. I'm what we say, $80 now. So you're 10x better than me since we've gone live. So
Coffee.
Always,
Coffee.
Yeah.
I am 0% better than you.
That's very kind of you. Very kind.
No, that's honest. That's very honest.
Let's see. Okay, so I put my stop in on this Bitcoin trade just at my entry actually. So I can't lose on this trade now. I've taken $20 out of it, and sitting around $50 remaining profit in the trade still. So let's see how this plays out.
What percentage is that?
So this is the thing. I don't know. Let me see if it'll give me a realized. So I've taken out 3% realized profit. and my unrealized profit is currently 4.36%. So, you know, I mean, you'll get that if you're lucky in a year from TradFi. So I'm happy to do that in a couple of minutes on this stream with Stonksy. Yeah, very happy with this indicator. So just again, all I did pretty much, I sound like a broken record. My favorite type of entry is a bullish divergence at a key level. So that's here, price coming down. See that key level there that's drawn for you now by Stonksy. I used to draw these badly myself, but now I literally don't do them anymore. And then here we have momentum coming up. So that's suggested to me we have a bullish divergence. Stonksy went green. I faffed around a bit here, opening up my trading account. So I entered a tiny bit late with no issue there. And yeah, we're sitting in profit. I guess we'll just monitor this Bitcoin trade, and we can have a scan through some of the alts as well whilst we're here. Tip, are there any interesting alts that you see at the moment where there's a bit of action going on? Where there could be Pepe. Love it. Let me find Pepe. There we go. So I'll get the Bybit chart up actually for this. Oh, is it 1000 Pepe on Bybit?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's been moving, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So I mean, I can't say I would have caught that one in hindsight, which is always easy to do. I wouldn't here. I mean, if I was just listening to Stonksy on its own, I would have done. But looking for that divergent entry, I probably would have missed that. Actually, there you go. So again, it kind of works. So we're on the 1 minute chart. So we had a higher low. And I like to look for these as well. I don't cover them as much. And we had a lower low in momentum. And that's a hidden bullish divergence. So, you know, we were supposed to relying on this divergence strategy. We should have been locking out. And we had Stonksy
Here we go.
Green. Yep.
Here we go. I don't apologize for cutting in.
You don't need to.
Sui.
Okay, let me just check my Bitcoin trade. Oh, why is Siri listening to me? That's concerning. Okay, yeah, we're still in profit on the Bitcoin trade. It's coming down. Let me just check the 1 minute chart on it quickly to see if I should be shaving a little more out.
Sui is flying.
Money flow's coming down on the 1 minute, so maybe, you know what, I'll keep the trade open at my entry, and if it goes, it goes.
You know, over the weekend, we should at least hit 110,000.
It wouldn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me at all. So Sui, right? Let's see.
Yeah, flying. Sui's flying.
Nice. Look at that. You know what? It's been amazing for TP levels. These W formations, constantly been using them as a marker for a TP level, and it's worked so many times. It's fascinating.
So Sui has got monstrous volume divergence to the upside.
Let me get this VRVP off the screen. Oops.
Yeah. We might get a bit of a run on the American coins on New York session.
Let me just check the stream, make sure we're all functional still.
No, my add-on virtual is just printing.
Yes. What a trade. Okay, we have a question from Jack Johnson. Could you explain the quad rotation methodology and how does it work? Well, I'm a novice in it.
Just go watch the last stream. Like, you know, we're not fucking around. Like, we just share what we know. But you got to put in the effort to go and do your own research. Like, we're not a signal channel. Just, you know, like we share the abundance, but you've got to do your own work.
Well, I guess an example of it would be, I just got on the screen here. So there's these four stochastics, and correct me if I'm wrong, what you're looking out for is, especially on the 4 hour, because there's a lot of gravity on that time frame. When you see all stocks rotating, so they say they're all going upwards, and then they all start to curl down. At that point,
I'll just pull you up there for one moment. When they all go downwards, you got to listen as well.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Of course. Like I'm always looking for things to curl up because we're in a bull market. So like here, where I've highlighted, where you can see now they all curled upwards. Like each band started to kink up, and it was a great entry. You go down to the smaller time frames on Stonksy then to look for longs. That's all I've been looking for. But price does still come down in bull markets, and you can amplify your gains by looking at this quad rotation for when, an example. Let's see if there's one on the 1 hour, where they all start to curl down and price. Here you go. Yeah, price starts to come down. See, they all curl down together then as a 4 on that candle. That should have give you an entry if you go into the smaller time frames with Stonksy, and you could have hit a nice short there. I'm guilty of not taking enough shorts in the bull market. Something I'm trying to fix, and you can't ignore the signals from this quad rotation. What was it? Tip, was it pretty much 100% accurate on the 4 hour when it's reversed, were you saying, each time Bitcoin's dumped? I remember you giving me a stat when you back tested it.
Yeah, and I forward tested too, so 100%.
Yeah. So So
I don't generally backtest. I think backtest is just a waste of time.
Yeah.
Because there's no pressure.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. I've never made money on it. I've never made money on a backtest.
Yeah, you got to try it, haven't you? You got to try it. Yeah, no worries, Jack Johnson. Hope that was all clear for you. But yeah, just I think in the last stream there was a decent explanation of it by Tip. Like I say, I'm still a bit of a novice in it, and it's just worth trying it out yourself. Like, to have it on a separate tab or on a separate screen. Just always have an eye on it, and it can give you a bias for what direction you can be looking.
Yeah, but just to let everyone know, I leave that rotation on 24 hours a day on Stonksy Radio Bitcoin.
Oh, there you go. All you need is a Stonksy Discord open, and that does it for you. Okay, so I'm just looking at some of the other alts now, if there's any interesting entries. So let me check that Bitcoin trade. Where's it gone? Okay, it's gone. It's out. I'm out. Lost 90 cents. When it stopped me out. I think so. Okay? I'm sure you'll help me out there with your gains. But, I have that safety net.
Hey, the other night on that Tuesday dump.
Yeah.
By the morning, I made $4,800.
That's hilarious. That's just totally hilarious.
I know, it's stupid.
Yeah, it actually is. What I love about this Stonksy community as well, it's like everyone is genuinely just buzzing to hear when someone performs so well. It's a really supportive group. I love it. Like when you tell me I've just made an eye-watering amount, it genuinely pleases me. It's just so funny.
But
okay, so
the thing is, though, is that my results are unusual.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they're not. They're very unusual. They're hilariously unusual.
What did I hit the other day? 35,000%.
35. Wow, that's phenomenal. Should be opening up a fund.
Yeah, I pulled back from there though.
Oh well, I'm sure it's still in the tens of thousands. The return.
Oh no, it's only sitting at 22,000%.
Oh, that's rubbish. That's utterly rubbish.
Yeah. No, because that Monday just killed me.
Yeah, it was a horrible time to trade. It was just whatever was going on, institutional money exchanges were just looking to obliviate everyone.
Well, my bluffing account went from $6,500 to $1,000.
My gosh. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
painful, isn't it? Those
'Cause
hits are painful.
No, it's fine. It's completely fine. Like the thing is that I was swing trading, and I was not even looking at the account
Yeah.
because I was day trading on Bybit, and then all of a sudden I'm just going, oh, hang on, if I'm getting buried here, maybe my bluffing account's getting buried.
No. Yeah, it's not fun to open up and find out that way.
Yeah, but at least I closed it.
Yeah, there we
If
go.
I didn't close it, it would have got liquidated.
Yeah, that would have been bad.
Oh no, it's all fun and games. It started with $135. It's
Yeah, it's the house's money, isn't it? It just on my screen here, you can see IOTA was a really nice scalp using that really basic strategy. Just drawing it out here, so low.
I'm still in that trade. I'm still in that trade, by the way, from the other night.
Oh, you went in this? Oh, nice.
From the other night?
Yeah, not bad.
I'm still in the Kaya trade from the other night as well.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, and then here you can...
I sometimes get stubborn. Yeah, I just get stubborn sometimes.
Fair enough. Well, hopefully it pays off. I mean, holding in crypto usually works well, so...
Well, if IOTA hits 49 cents, that's $6,000.
Yeah, that's not bad, is it? Where are we at now? Yeah, unreal. So just another example there with IOTA, bullish divergence, Stonksy going green, nice scalp, little W pattern there. I bet the take profit was almost bang on with that. Let's see. Let me zoom in a little. I'm having a bad time trying to draw that.
Coffee, I think we should start focusing on New York Open. We've got less than half an hour to go.
Yes. Yeah, you're right. Just testing this. Yeah, there you go. Look at that TP level from the W pattern. So, again, it's funny how these things work out. Okay, US Open, we have 25 minutes. What is Bitcoin saying?
I'm going to put on radio. I'm going to put the S&P up.
Okay. Just 1 second, I'm just going on mute for 1 second. Just need to check something.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, there we go. I'm trying to look for indications just from Bitcoin where we could be going. I know the S&P seems to be the big determining factor. We're just seeing if there's any little.
Well, the S&P gives first direction.
Yeah. So
S&P going live. S&P about to go live. S&P is now live.
That's a 15-minute lock-in. 15-minute on stocks look interesting. Is that, well, see this here now on the screen, the 15-minute, this is the bottom band. Would you say that still needs to kink upwards now for it to be a convincing?
Well, my sentiment is Bitcoin looks insanely bullish.
Yeah.
Like right now, Bitcoin's going up and the S&P is going down. Every time it decouples in that fashion, Bitcoin goes crazy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, money flow is looking good on the 1 hour on Bitcoin, 4 hour.
So the dollar yen right now is pushing up. Right? That means risk on.
Interesting. Yeah, I think this is looking
Yeah, I
quite
mean,
good.
if it plays out the way my charts are saying, this is going to be a historical weekend for altcoins to the
Yeah.
upside. Like I've been calling this for a while, haven't I?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Just seeing if there's
XRP
any
just-
more little entries pre-market open.
XRP starting to warm up.
Have a look. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, it's just funny,
so-
like ignoring all the other indicators. Like Stonksy just
since-
catches these.
Since we went live, XRP just made $400.
Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, I don't see an entry in there.
Algo's heating up.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, Algo is warming up, really warming up.
Yeah, it's looking promising. Money flows coming into the green.
All right. Sui is running.
Sui, have a look now.
Sui is running.
Oh, that's Sui.
Sui wants to make a new all-time high.
Yeah.
Which is only from yesterday.
Again.
Yeah, which is only from yesterday. So if Sui pushes through all-time high and carries on, this weekend's going to be fucking amazing. I apologise for swearing. I'm Australian and we swear a lot.
Yeah, that's screenshot says check Jasmine. Feels like Sui's going to hit 4.85 in the next couple of minutes. Wouldn't surprise me with that W. Jasmine.
What's Jasmine doing?
Just got it on screen now. Yeah, look at that on the 3-minute. Price coming down.
Oh my god, that's gonna fucking fly. Sorry for swearing. Sorry. That's gonna fly.
Yeah. Momentum going up. That would have been a screamer of an entry just looking for that setup.
What's VeChain doing?
That needs to be in front of this all day and I can make a hell of a lot of money doing it. VeChain.
You're already making a hell of a lot of money. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Yeah. VeChain. Make sure the 1 minute. So we had a nice bullish divergence there. We didn't get the green on the 1. Yeah, we're not getting a trade from Stonksy yet on VeChain on Bybit anyway. Got from what I see though.
Oh wow! Do you know what just fired up?
Go on.
Doge.
Yes, I still got my Doge trade going on. Let me find it. There you are. Ooh, look at that big W. It's a bit of a messy one, but look at that. See? Let's see if it's playing out on the other time frames. Yeah, look at that 5-minute W. There we go. Let me give myself some hopium. So we're at the neckline, ironically at that Stonksy resistance line. It's funny how it seems to nail it. Oh, we just gone green on the 5-minute on Doge as well, so let's see when that last happened. And if we go there, that's
Jasmine's,
there we go.
Jasmine's going to the moon. Holy fuck. Sorry for swearing, everyone. Sorry, I don't mean to.
Jasmine. Go back to Jasmine. Yeah, Doge is looking insane. Look at that. It's gone green on the 5-minute on Stonksy as well. When's the last time that happened? Let's see.
If this plays out like the way I think it's going to be, this is going to be the, in terms of open interest and money flow, will be the biggest weekend of altcoin history.
Yeah, that'll be insane, won't it?
Yeah, if this plays out.
Oh, look at it. It's going. It's going.
Yep, it's going.
Look at that entry from Stonksy. Like, perfect. Using that basic strategy. Lower low, divergence, Stonksy goes
Yep.
green. Even wait for it to close above the 20 MA, boom.
Have a look at the 15-minute rotation on it.
Have a look. Oh wow, yeah, this isn't finished. This isn't finished.
Have a look at the 4A rotation.
Oh my goodness, is that bottom one gone up? Yeah. Oh wow, that's okay. Yeah, this could absolutely. See, I'm thinking, oh, there's not an entry for me here. But you zoom out to the 4 hour. Look at that W on the 4 hour, and we broke the neckline. You can see it here.
Yep.
Like, what's the target from that? Let's say these W's. I don't know how many I've just shown on stream, but they keep playing out. There's great TP levels recently.
Yeah.
So
since we went live on YouTube, I'm $2,000 up now.
That's incredible, isn't it? Incredible. So yeah, we've got a 23% run from here on Jasmy. If that W pattern plays out, we've already broke the neckline. There's a 4 hour quad rotation.
Yeah,
we've got.
I mean, that's always the
3 minute.
Yeah, that's always the issue with front running your profit.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can snap back anytime.
Exactly. I mean, I'd love a little entry here, but I just feel it's ran from if I was at my screen all the time, when I can you can go back through my videos, I can safely say I would have 100% have entered here.
But you probably
missed out on 3.8. Yeah, I've missed out on 3.8% already from the trade. But if we go to, and this would have been a TP1 or 2.
Yeah.
Already.
Highly likely would have been a TP4.
Yeah. So it's a not a fun time to try and enter, although it's very tempting. But that's just it's semi FOMO. But
there's always pullbacks.
Yeah, of course. And we've got this level now, so the 3 minutes holding above. Let's look at the 15-minute. What's it doing with the 50 MA? Holding above it now, which is good.
Yep.
I mean, it's not a terrible. Is it a terrible entry? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a terrible entry. No, it is. It's bad.
Thank you.
Yeah, just wait for the pullback.
Yeah.
I mean, as much as we look at charts, they always pull back.
Yeah, they do.
And even if it pulls back higher, it still pulls back.
Yeah, then you've got your entry then.
Because you missed the entry.
Yeah. Let's see if there's any others on that note. chain.
See, Jasmy's pulling back right now. Ooh. If you'd gone in there, you'd been a loss.
Yeah. There we go. Live.
Yeah.
Live. Good decision. To not FOMO. We were still holding that support line, which is good.
Yeah. That was probably an entry.
Yeah. See it close above it. Maybe it could be.
I actually think V-Chain might
be... still feels high.
V-Chain might be the play, actually.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now, seeing if there's any entries presenting themselves. For what I like to see, not yet. Not to say it's a bad entry. I just don't see what makes me comfortable to risk my money doing.
See, the nice thing about V-Chain is it's been going sideways.
Let me see if there's another... Yeah, that is the Binance chart.
I'll be back in a second.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm just going to relieve myself.
No worries. If anybody's got any other tokens that maybe aren't on my watch list that we could take a look at, feel free to message them into the chat, and we can take a look. So let's see. Have another scan through. Let's see what Jasmy's doing now. RG, what's your profits using this since the beginning? Don't have an exact figure now, but probably about $10,000, maybe a little more. Yeah, and it was, so what I did, I've been a follower of CMG for quite some time, been in crypto for a while. He founded this indicator, and then I saw him promoting it, and I'd bought indicators in the past based on what some creators had developed, and I thought I'd give it a try. And I tried it I got them signed up for 1 month, and it was the best investment I've ever made when it comes to my trading. 10K from what you start with. I uploaded $1,100 into my trading account, so I thought, you know what, I'll see if it works. I'll put in just over $1,000, and yeah, it's over 10K up from that, which I'm really happy with. My biggest issue now is having enough time to look for my perfect setup, which I go through in my videos. It's got a high win rate. I don't have the percentage. Anecdotally, the win rate's been high whenever I place my trades using it, or when I back look at what's happened with the charts and I see it perform. Yeah, it's been really good, and just the issue of not being able to be at the charts all the time to catch each one. But yeah, thank you. Yeah, have a look back, and you know, I'll go through pretty much any video summarizes the strategy, and yeah, Crypto J. Over what time did you go from?
Can I just take over a sec, Coffee?
Yeah, sure.
So
you gonna do a screen share?
No, it's all right. I took out $3,000 last week.
Nice.
And lost money on the Monday, Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really close to my high water mark on the Bybit account after taking out some money off the table.
Amazing.
So in 41 days, I've done 32,000%.
Wow. That's phenomenal. That's actually phenomenal. I'm sure everyone can do the math there. You start with $135. Yeah, do that calculation. That's a phenomenal return. Reg
do you mind,
asking,
Coffee? Do you mind sharing the story of why I started the account with $135?
You've been hit badly, hadn't you? Which token was it on now? Was it Algo? I think it was Algo. And
yeah,
you had very little left, and it was kind of a Hail Mary using Stonksy to put into a trading account. That's what you had left after buying Stonksy, right? It was 135 left after signing up for Stonksy, and that was like your reset after being absolutely burnt in the bear market. And it's probably working out good if things continue that you were burnt and it led you to this stage to buy Stonksy, to try it out and then to start trading. It's kind of painfully really helped your strategy, and now you're on probably turned out well.
I'm a bit sadomasochistic. I love the pain.
Well, may you never feel it again with Stonksy by your side.
No, I'll force it.
Sure, you'll just FOMO in at the top, ignoring Stonksy. Still do a bit of that, don't get me wrong. Okay. Jasmine, Coffee, do you also have a full-time job? Yeah, I'm not full-time trading. I'd say it'd be one up there with a dream setup, being able to consistently make money trading and not having any other commitments. That would be great.
What are you talking about? You are consistently making money trading.
Yeah, of course, but to be able to not have to do anything else and be extremely comfortable with those returns happening on a consistent monthly basis, it's a little bit different. But don't get me wrong, I'm very, very happy with how it's all playing out with this. It's I just stick to the strategy, don't get complacent, don't try and front run, ignore my gut most of the time, and just focus on the process, and it seems to be working.
I mean, 100% of the time, the trades I've taken since we've done the YouTube thing is 100% is 100%.
Yeah, exactly.
Bitcoin is looking quite interesting. So right now,
Jasmine, there could be an entry coming up.
Yeah, but check this out, right? S&P is dumping hard.
Okay.
And Bitcoin's going up.
Yes, indeed.
So this is another decoupling,
which plays out well for Bitcoin when that happens.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to happen. It's going to continue to happen at one point. I think Bitcoin's the absolute future. Like, fiat everything, it's just complete and utter nonsense when you look at it. It just doesn't make any sense. This is the solution, so it will decouple.
Yeah, a lot of it's dependent if Trump actually does no capital gains.
Yeah, if he does, I'd be so. Here I am, the guy that always says politicians lie, but I'd be so surprised if he went back on his promise, because it seems so different this time, that whole thing. But let's see. I'm hoping he sticks to it. XRP.
Yeah, but even if he sticks to it, there's going to be handbrakes on it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because if he sticks to it, it's going to crash the S&P.
Well, yeah. Yeah, XRP, crypto bash looking good. Good trade wherever you entered in the past couple of days. It looks like you've done all right there.
So Bash, if you entered when you were at peak loss, that would all be profit.
Look, if Bitcoin's telling me to jump in anywhere, it's not right now. Stonksy saying to go long, and it's probably right, but for my comfort level, I need to see that divergence.
Why would you take a trade when the 6 minutes still open?
Oh yeah, exactly. I mean, I'll be transparent. If my setup was here, I'll take it. I'd take that risk. It's not a good idea, but just whenever I've seen that setup, it's at least gone in that direction to start with, and I'd be happy to.
S&P is tanking.
Okay, we've had Stonksy go red on the 1 minute on Bitcoin. We're going below the 20 MA. Could be a little pullback with Bitcoin.
I mean, we've only got 5 minutes to go.
Just a heads up, I do need to leave in 20 minutes, unfortunately. I have some commitments I need to tend to. So it's a shortish stream today, but I hope people are enjoying it so far and seeing the thinking behind trades and where to enter. Managed to enter one trade live right at the start. Tiny profit, $20. Can't complain. So just looking for more of those setups personally, where now I am looking at the quad rotation to give me a direction of where my bias should be up or down on the 4 hour and the 15 minute. And then I'm just looking for my standard strategy, key level, bullish divergence, Stonksy go green, and then take profit at various levels. I never have one take profit. I'm always looking at local levels of price action. And I appease my FOMO by leaving a tiny bit in the trade, because you never know. 9 times out of 10, it's not that God candle going to happen whilst you're in the trade, but in the event it does, I like to have a little bit in the trade, which is probably poor management of my trade, but I need to appease my FOMO somehow. So I'll always leave a tiny bit in, just in case it rips, because this is crypto. But yeah, that's how I approach it.
Well, Virtual does a God candle once a day.
It does seem to. I should just hold. I should just hold it. That's called optimism coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, virtual's going to hit the top 20.
Yeah, I heard it on like I said, on Ivan and Tech's stream today. He was covering it quite in depth.
Is he popular?
Yeah, he's huge.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
He's one of the. He's quite legit as well. Like, he's incredibly smart. Really like his take on everything. And he seems to have hit the nail on the head for the past couple of cycles as well, with where the market's going.
I think I watched him once.
He's brilliant. I find him. You know what? He's utterly hilarious. I find him so funny. But I watch his content to learn and get a good take on the market conditions. But he's hilarious as well.
What was his background on watching virtual?
He was just discussing how it's making really impressive moves at the moment.
Yeah.
He was going into what the token's used for, etc.
You know that I called virtual 3 weeks ago?
Yes. Yeah, and I didn't just dive in when I probably should have done on that note. What's it done since you called 3 weeks ago?
It was 1.45 billion.
1.45. What are we at now?
A lot more. It's currently at 2.324.
That's insane. Wow, with a bit of leverage, that's incredible.
Yes, in terms of profit on this cycle, it just went past algo.
Wow. Yeah, that's mad.
Yeah. So algo was 10,000 profit, and virtual just went past it. But you got to factor in the losses I took over the last 3 Mondays.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think of this people USDT? I'm sure it's one you've mentioned. It's one of my watch list.
Yeah. So people is a DAO.
Okay.
It's been a DAO for since the day it launched. Yeah.
Okay. I've not traded it much. Just have it there and seen if these divergences play out as well in it as it does with the other tokens.
Yeah, no. So people is one of the description of people. It's purely sentiment based. It's not institutional.
Okay.
Okay, market open. First direction up.
V-chains are long for me if we get a green on the 3 minute.
Yeah. So first direction up generally means second direction is going to be down.
Yeah. There we go, we're heading down on the 1 minute now. Stonksy's going short. Just fighting the 200 MA line on the 1 minute. It's gone below.
So virtual just took off to the upside.
Nice. Let's go back to the V-chain as that gave me my entry at. Come on. Setting the trade up in case.
Looks like algo's taking off.
Stonksy's still not happy with V-chain to go red. Still not happy.
Yeah, it's only first direction though. So first direction.
Yeah, so we've got that bullish divergence setting up on the 3 minute.
Okay, here we go. So he's going.
Keep on and saying not suing. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so
damn. Right, should have just been checking it whilst on stream. Look, bullish divergence, Stonksy going green.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that.
Can't watch
Boom.
everything though.
Yeah, I know. Stonksy green. There, you've got a nice entry there.
Yeah.
It's coming back down to it.
Yeah. We're still in first direction.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me check on V-Chain. Is it happy yet?
Stella's taking off. Okay, so this is playing out exactly like I thought it would. The American coins are going to blast. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not the green.
Fuck yeah! XLM just took off.
Nice.
That means XRP just took off. Yeah, I am absolutely printing.
Excellent.
I can afford to buy a coffee now.
I'll go. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna run? I'll go.
What about Cardano? Has Cardano run?
I will check. We've got. Algo. If Algo goes green, it could be interesting. We've got that bullish div on the 3 minute. Cardano. So that's ADA. Yeah, Cardano's had a nice little pump on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Not crazy, but it's up.
If Cardano runs, that's unusual because Cardano is a stable coin.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this plays out the way I think it's going to play out this weekend, it's going to be historical.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Bitcoin just fucking launched.
Really?
I apologize for the swearing, everyone, but Bitcoin just launched.
Oh. Yeah, it's looking hilariously good.
I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin, I tell you that much.
No. Not something that's ended well over the past 10 years.
10 years? 9.
More now?
9 plus. Hang on. My mathematics is leaving me. 17 years? 16
Wow.
years, sorry.
Okay, well, there we go.
16 years, yeah.
Just looking for what I'm going to do. I need to loosen. I'll do another scan through results.
I'll be in radio anyway.
Yeah. Let me check the stream chat to make sure there's not been any more questions. Okay, no further questions right now. So yeah, we'll just do a scan through.
Just before you go, Coffee, I'm just going to, if there's any crowd hanging out there, just please go to your Facebook page and share the last stream and this stream. It's got nothing to do with Coffee and I wanting to be YouTube stars. It's just we generally want to help people beat the game.
Absolutely.
And, share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. Share it.
Okay, just having a scan. It's not. No, nearly an algo. Nearly. Let's check the 1 minute.
So, Koff, I've done 10 trades in 2 YouTube streams. 100% success rate.
Unreal. Absolutely unreal.
That's not to say the next one's going to be an absolute failure.
So, little setup. If algo came down to this level and formed a slightly lower low than this,
you know what, Koff? You should be trading Bitcoin.
Yeah, you know what? I get my best win rates on Bitcoin. My best.
Yeah.
Just all the time. Whenever I see that setup, I actually go in really heavy.
Yeah. Bitcoin is going fucking bunter. It is leaving the station.
Oh, look. Oh, look at the 15-minute on the quad rotation too.
Yeah, it just went nuts.
It's
1 hour's
gonna
going as
stand.
well. Oh my god, the 4 hour is going. Look at 4 hour fast rotation.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna fly, isn't it? Absolutely fly. Doge, thank you. That's what we like to see. Oh, look at that. Whoops. Let me see. We're getting towards our that W target that I'd set before. On the
Yep.
5 minute it was. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. Nearly there.
Why don't you just leave? Why don't you just on a separate account just put a swing trade in on Doge?
I've got one.
Okay.
I have spot Doge. I have a leveraged long on Doge.
Yep.
Yeah. Like that.
I mean,
yeah.
Like, conservatively, Doge is going to hit $3, right?
I believe so. That's what I'm holding out for.
I mean, quite a lot of people talking about $15. I think that's a bit ridiculous.
Yeah, I mean, I hope they're right, but
yeah, but I mean, you got reality kicks in, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Holy fuck! Look at the 1 minute on Bitcoin.
Let's see. Yeah, man.
And the 3 minute.
Totally, man.
That is a hardcore rotation to the upside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get this feeling this is going to be a historical altcoin weekend.
Yeah. Maybe some low leverage swing longs could be the way. Right, I'm just going to do a quick scan through before I jump off. So IOTA, have a setup there. If it goes green on the 3 minute, I'd be in there. If I'm on my phone, when I see that complete, I'll jump in. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing. You may even get a lower low here in the 1 minute, and that'll form a nice close divergence. So it could be a long.
Yeah.
People.
So my LP is currently printing.
Nice.
There's my
very,
algo.
Very nice.
So's my virtual. So's my Kaya. So's my IOTA. They're all printing.
Unreal trade.
Apparently that's called 100%.
Okay, if Jasmine goes green on the 1 minute, I'd love this. This is my
wow,
when it's a single wave, that's the
one. Okay, H bar. H bar's going.
I've got to go on Jasmine. Okay. And then
H bar's going. H bar is going. H bar is flying.
I'll check it.
Oh, not really. It was flying. H bar is about to fly. If anyone's brave enough to take this entry on H bar, I believe is about to fly.
Let me check. I'll check H bar and then I have to go. I've longed Jasmine because this is early solo. This is what I look out for, and I'll just put my money where my mouth is. The only one thing I don't like, it wasn't at a big key level that Stonksy set out, but hey ho. We've had that bullish divergence on Jasmine, so let's hope it sends while I'm all out. And what was you saying? H bar
just went green on 3 minute.
Yeah.
H bar is going to launch. It's got a perfect 15-minute rotation.
Yeah, it's looking good, isn't it?
Textbook really rotation on 15 minute.
Yeah, look, see this 3 minute here, we'll have the W, and it'll just send if we break that. And that's also, if it breaks this 20 MA, I think it'll just send up. Interesting. Right,
mind you, we are first direction on the S&P.
Yeah.
We could quite easily get a snapback.
Okay.
All right, so Coffee, anytime you want to do the outro, and I'll go back to radio.
Yeah, just a funny note. This is why you got to be careful trading live. I wanted to go 11x long on Jasmine, and I've gone 3x. I put in way more margin than I wanted to. So I'm just going to, in panic, fix that, and I'll leave you all to it. So thanks, everyone, for tuning in. We'll definitely do this again soon. Any questions, leave them in the comments or ask them in the Discord. Tip's going to be in the radio now.
Yeah. Don't forget to be selfish. coffee. Don't forget to be selfish. Like and subscribe. Share.
Of course. Thanks very much. Take care, everyone. All the best. Bye bye.
See you guys.